Alright, so we have to take the Audi to go get painted. Let's go. Oh, dropped off. And my lifts arrived with food. Right, we need to drop the keys off somewhere. I'm guessing this. Wait, this one, yeah? Yeah. Hopefully that looks fresh again when it's done. Let's go to work. Yo, what is up? Oh, there's a bit of dust. Hi, what is up, guys? Today I am going to bring my car in to the yard at work, and I'm gonna install HIDs, LEDs, full beams, and I don't know, what else did I get? I got 4 packages. So LEDs, HIDs, I don't know, whatever we got, let's go have a quick look. So one headlight is already out, very easy. Just need a, I don't know, T30, T25. Right, put that on ratchet mode. Literally those two, and it pops straight out. Right, so those two out, just that one and that one. You pull this end out first to like unhook it, if you will. Oh, if it wants to work. There you go. And then unplug them. Put this plug here. Yeah, unplug them. When it comes straight out, I'm going to take these inside to do the LEDs and HIDs. Connection H7 for both bulbs, I believe. Hopefully, I shall take one apart, do it, and then I'll film the other one if I can. Kit, come in a box. It's got 2 balances, a power decoder, so you don't get any errors. A few cable ties, and obviously the bulbs. This, the LED headlights for, I can't remember how much, not a lot. Even comes with gloves. Installation manual, which is plug and play, it's not the hardest thing in the world. But here they are. If you have been on this channel since I've had the Audi, these are the same fog lights I used, so they are very good, very bright. So I'm gonna fit those and show you what they look like after. About to put HIDs in. Don't do what I done. They're not made for the car, so they're not gonna. They do not fit properly. I've hot glue gunned them in because I want them in, and yeah, can't bother to send them back. So there's like a weird adapter thing on it. So I'll bring them out and I shall tell you what I mean. Right. So we work. One's a bit higher than the other, as you can see. That one is a lot higher than that, but that can be adjusted. But yeah, same with the other lights. One's top left, one's bottom right. But yeah, they work. Let's have a look what it looks like from outside. One's better from the front. Get a nice bright HIDs. Get some light back up. But yeah, it looks really good. Gonna do the front and rear badge now, and probably the indicators for the rear. Yeah, starting to come along nicely now. Starting to come along. Those lights, I don't think they're gonna last very long, so I might end up swapping those back out in a few days. It's too big, and I just broke it taking off. So I'm gonna have to spray these gloss black. I think we got some inside, so I'll do that in a minute. Hopefully the rear is fit. Let's have a look and take these at the same time. Well, at least one of them fits. this because you can just go like that. That's only taped on because I taped it on. You ain't gonna be able to see. Let me readjust you. So yeah, I'm gonna have to actually use some sealant and seal that one up. So we need to use some of this, but it's all clogged up. But that will be fine if I just go like this, hopefully. Indeed it does work. Shall I put that in there? There we go. All good with the hood. Bam, good as new. Let's let that dry up. After getting my hands absolutely fucking covered in silicone or whatever shit is. I don't know what that is. Well, I do. It's Friday, but I don't know what I did last. I think I was putting LEDs in. I was putting headlights in. I didn't actually finish showing you. They're in now. They are proper bodged in. They've stayed there. They've stayed level. So I got their LED full beam and the HIDs. Let's turn them all on and shows you what we got. And I put LEDs down there. They're not that blue on the camera, as they are on the camera. They're gonna warm up. But anyway, we got HIDs on the outside, LED on the inside lights. Don't know if I videoed it, but we've also got LED indicators, full LED. Everything's LED in the back now, even the fog light, which I don't actually know how bright that is. There, that's all LED now. This light doesn't work for some reason. Oh, well, there you go. You just kind of like seen it flash, but anyway, it don't work. So I'm gonna change these to, well, get some extended wire, put it from the interior because that's when they come on anyway. Alright, so there we go. LED 1, LED 2, I have ran the cable from there. I literally just peeled this bit off, fed it through until I could hook my finger onto it, down the side of here, into a like where you don't have to cut the cables, it cuts it for you, the little clamp thing, and then a cable going under this plastic over here into another crimp tool cut connection, so you don't have to use any electrical tape, nothing. It's pre-cut, pre-thingied. Fucking trains. It's a pre-insulated self-cut-in, so it goes to the wires bit into there, and yeah, that's it. It comes on with the interior lights. Alright, that's the end of the video. It's actually the first time I've done a fucking outro because I forgot the last two videos. But yeah, so LEDs are in. Pretty much all the LEDs that I'm going to be changing into the car are now in. Yeah, next is some type of wrap / decals on it. Not too sure what I'm going to do yet. Gonna have to speak to the boss and see what he thinks because he's really good with ideas. Apart from that, probably give it a wash tomorrow, so I shall see you in the next video whenever that is.